Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a Bitcoin from Kraken to wallet. So you can come here to your portfolio and look for your Bitcoin under crypto. I'll show you this example with Solana, but it's the same process with any crypto. So you select your Bitcoin or your crypto, and then you want to come here, hit withdraw, and of course you need to select the address, right? So come here, you can hit the drop down. If you already have a wallet set up, the address saved, then you can use those. Or you can click here, add withdrawal address, paste in your address right here from a clipboard. You can add an account nickname, hit continue, confirm the details, hit confirm. There you go. Continue to withdraw. And then you just choose that wallet address. Okay. Enter the amount. You can choose max or any amount you want. Let's say 75%, for example. Just go ahead and do the review. Confirm everything. There you go. Swipe to withdraw, and the withdrawal will be initiated, and you can hit done right here. Now you can see the portfolio. It is now less. We have done that withdrawal. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.